Hi guys, we are back on the rocks. We catch the first fish, this one. I don't know the species, I will write it down in the comments. And Leon, this is your fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
The bait is still good, I can just fix it.
Yes, we're fishing with black shells, bobbit worm, and this is it. Let's go fishing. Let's see. Oh, what kind? Oh, another one. A frater. Nice, Leon. Nice. What?
Fat one.
Yes, a fat two-striped bram. Leon, very good today. Show it. Nice. Okay. Give it to me. Well, nice two-striped bram. Wow, nice one. Spiky, huh?
Yes.
Nice fat one. It's nice. Oh, very nice.
Oh, the ring, no?
No, go here on your left, please.
Should I lift it up?
No, put it back. Put the folder back. Have you seen this? No, it's a normal fish, it's not big. It's a nice frater.
That's a really big one.
Ooh, really nice frater. Oh, I got this nice bram. Very nice one. A two-striped bram. Really nice and big. It fell off. Fish off. Okay. Ah, you got a comber. Ooh. Okay. A common comber. Show it. So today the fish are biting. Ah, Leon.
Yeah.
So nice today. Incredible.
That was good in the pool.
Yes, I saw it. You will throw it in the water. Just a second. Okay. Another comber. Put it back in the sea. What it is? Oh! Wow, Leon! This is a big one. Two-striped bram. Wow! Extra large. Nice.
I can't even clean my hands.
Okay. Put it off and we will show it on the camera, okay? Let's see. Ah, mine is bigger, Leon.
Yeah.
But yours, oh, it's beautiful too. Nice one. Look at this color. A very nice one. Two-striped bram. Small? No, it's not small. I don't know in English what is the name of this, but this is a tenuta in Italian language. It's a very nice tenuta. Whoa, you almost caught me in the eye. Nice. A very nice tenuta. Nice tenuta. On which bait? Black shell? The worm? Yes, the worm is great. Okay, another tenuta. Very nice. This is the perfect live bait for dentex. Oh. You just hook him on the back like this, and I have prepared a zip, like a zip line here. Yes. What? No, I will. Oh. Answer the phone. Se ne malo počaka. No. Oh, another fish. I will release this one. This is small.